Hello guys, welcome. In this video, let's see how to leave a league on Fantasy Premier League, leave FPL League in the easiest way. Before getting into the video, I am on journey to reach 5,000 subs at the earliest. So it will help me bring you more tutorials like this. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel. To leave a league in Fantasy Premier League, FPL, follow these steps. Log into your FPL account on the official website or app. Navigate to the Leagues section. Here you will see a list of leagues you are currently a part of. Click on the league you wish to leave. This will take you to the league's main page. Look for the Leave League button, which is typically located towards the bottom of the page. Be cautious as this button can be close to other buttons, which may lead to accidental clicks. Click the Leave League button. There is no confirmation prompt, so ensure that you genuinely want to leave the league before clicking. After leaving, your points will not be affected, and you can rejoin the league later if you choose to do so. When you rejoin, you will carry your points with you from the start of the season. If you accidentally leave a league, you can rejoin it as long as it is still active. If you have concerns about the interface, consider providing feedback to FPL to improve user experience. Thanks for watching till the end.